G'day guys, here's a 207 series chassis E250. I've had multiple Mercedes here with timing chain issues, and I was shocked to get a camshaft code on this car as it came in and hear a rattling timing chain on startup. And I sort of thought that timing chain sprocket wearing issue was limited and ended in the 2012 approximately, don't quote me. Anyway, here we've got a car with 40,000 kilometers, and in this case I've told the lady yesterday when I suspected a possible major issue that you're better off going to the dealers. In this case, it's warranted for 2 years. And they use updated parts and stuff like that. Now, I better just disregard this phone call for a sec. Now, on this model, what we have back pressure leakage of the the valve timing mechanism. I can't remember what Mercedes call it. VTEC, Vanos, Avix. It's all basically the same principle. These are the solenoids for them to activate the oil flow, but you've got some leakage here on startup. Now, normally I'd open the oil filter cartridge on a C-Class. You'd literally want to do that with your 2012 and earlier C-Classes, that generation. You'd literally on a pre-purchase want to open the oil filter or see that the timing chain's been replaced and sprockets, because you'd get oil contamination. In this case, I'm referring the car straight back to Mercedes to get new seals put in to stop the back pressure leakage and stuff like that. Also, with the low miles and purchasing it from that specific dealer, there might be an act of goodwill because it is not an acceptable failure. So that's just a word of warning, guys. 207 series E250, these engines are shared across many platforms. Back pressure leakage, oil pressure leakage from the valve timing actuators in here. So these are the solenoids and these are the camshaft sensors. The car's thrown a camshaft code. Normally I'll change like the bank one sensor, but I can hear the timing chain rattling on startup. Okay, beware. This is also when you're buying these vehicles, make sure it's had the updated parts put back in by Mercedes-Benz. Okay, hope that helps someone. Okay, bye.